Hi, my name is Nolan Metz,
And I'm Peter Caridi.
and we are the founders of NOVUS Therapeutics.
Over the past 6 months, we have been designing a medical device capable of tracking the intricate and subtle movements a person makes when moving their joints, in order to better track a patient's recovery process after an injury or surgery. Both of us are seniors in the biomedical engineering program. I myself am in mechanical concentration, and Nolan's focus is on tissues and biomaterials. Together, our training has taught us how to truly identify critical needs and create innovative solutions to those needs.
Our idea really began by making first-hand observations while I was in post-op physical therapy for an ACL surgery that I had. It was during this time that we learned a lot about the healthcare industry and how it's moving rapidly towards keeping electronic health records for patients. Even the CDC stated that 86.9% of healthcare providers in the US are using some form of electronic medical records.
Point-of-care testing is medical testing that is performed outside of the laboratory setting. The portability and accessibility of point-of-care testing devices have brought about several advantages in the healthcare industry. At-home use enables patients to monitor their own conditions more frequently in order to get more consistent results and gain some independence. The growth of this testing is tied to a reduced need for follow-up visits and wider access to healthcare in remote areas.
With this huge shift in the way patient data is kept, we believe that this device is a perfect model to incorporate into modern physical therapy. We intend to market our device as a point-of-care solution to healthcare providers, such as the American Physical Therapy Association, who run the Rehabilitation Resource Center, that mainly focuses on connecting patients to physicians for at-home physical therapy solutions.
For many patients recovering from an injury or surgery, one of the most important measurements that is consistently taken to monitor patient recovery is a measure of the range of motion of the affected joints such as the knee, elbow, hip, or shoulder. Currently, this measurement is taken with a goniometer, which is essentially a large protractor that is a two-dimensional measurement of the angle a joint is capable of bending. This means it can only record one plane of movement. Joints, however, are capable of moving on multiple planes. This tool has been in use for decades. However, it introduces a large amount of human error during the measurement process. And we believe that it is time for a more advanced approach in the recording of user data that can be transferred directly to a patient's electronic health records.
Our device consists of 3 points of contact around the joint that utilizes tiny accelerometers to track motion in 3 dimensions. From this system of motion sensors, we will be able to accurately record and analyze the movements a person makes with a particular joint. Our device will have the capability of recording, analyzing, and keeping track of the unique way an individual recovers from a joint injury.
While in physical therapy, many exercises are performed without any type of analysis or way to quantify how well they are doing, or to what extent do they reach fatigue or failure during the exercises. Due to our device's accurate detection of movement, we can identify the subtle changes a person makes while exercising to better understand the extent of their injury, as well as their progress during the recovery phase.
All of this information can be recorded by our device through Bluetooth and will send the data directly to a physician to be analyzed so that adjustments can be made to a patient's therapy. It is our hope to partner with companies that are working on bringing point-of-care style treatments to patients around the country. Our device would allow patients to perform physical therapy in the comfort of their own homes, while at the same time keeping their physician updated with the results so that their workout can be adjusted according to their progress. Because here at NOVUS Therapeutics, it is our mission to introduce a more practical approach to modern physical therapy. We thank you guys for your time and considerations.
Thank you.